What is meant by snapshot standby database in Dataguard environment? To answer this question, snapshot standby database is basically a type of your Oracle Dataguard environment. This snapshot standby database can be open in read-write mode. So basically, when your database get open into the read-write mode, you can create a database object, you can insert, update, delete, all the operation is possible. And again, one more thing, as soon as you are creating a snapshot standby database, and if you want to convert back from snapshot standby database to the physical standby database, that is also possible. So whatever changes you have done, let's say you created 100 tables when you are doing snapshot standby database, all that 100 tables will be rolled back when you convert your database from snapshot to physical standby database. So basically, snapshot standby database is getting open in the read-write mode, and it is mainly useful for testing purpose.